Watch the clock.
Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Guys, see, I've been down. I have been ill for the last couple of days, like for the last 3 days. The last 3 days have just been a blur, and I've just been managing myself, to be honest. I think I've been overstressed, overworked, over everything, and not having a nanny is not even helping matters. So I broke down, like I broke down bad, really bad, but I'm just getting myself right now and all of that. I'm stronger today, so I have to go out today. Yeah, anyway, today I'm going to get my brows done. Like, guys, this has been such a long time coming, to be honest. Such a long time coming. For the longest time, you guys know that my brows are literally non-existent. I do have brows, but you can see that they are literally as sparse and as scanty as can be, and that's how they have been since I was born. And I just never had brows. Okay, never had brows. Today I'm going to be getting my brows microbladed. Yes, finally it is finally happening, and I'm kind of excited to see how this is going to turn out. For the longest time, I've shied away from doing this. I have shied away so hard from doing this, but I'm super excited also because of the beauty clinic I'm going to be using for this procedure today, and it's called YB Beauty Clinic. I'm super excited about working with them today, and what drew me to them was the fact that their brows look so natural. Like, I went on their page and their brows look so natural. Even my friend, one of my friends, Hamsatu, even had her brows done there, and it looks so natural, so natural. So for me, obviously, because I don't want to go from having no brows literally to having full-on sharp out there brows. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a very nice, subtle, natural looking brow, and that's why I'm going with them today. They're expecting me today. I cannot wait to take you guys along with me, show you guys the whole process and all of that. This is very exciting. I low-key hope it's not a painful process. I don't know if it's painful or if it's uncomfortable. I don't know. Really, I don't know, but we shall see. But low-key, I'm hoping that it's not painful or anything like that. Let me know in the comments if you've done it before. I haven't done it before, so I don't know. And yeah guys, anyway, let's go, and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Are you serious? I can't wait. I'm so excited. Feel any pinch. I won't feel any pinch. I won't feel any.
You know I'm doing stuff.
Yeah, but it won't hurt. Okay, because I hate pain. About to start. A girl is freaking out. What? Let's get this over and done with now, shall we? There you go. How was that? It's fine.
Good. Because I noticed you were a little nervous in the beginning. Like she's about to cut.
I really shied away from doing this for so long.
I know.
So long.
You don't want to stain your skin now.
Because I'm like, God, if I get it wrong, I've got it wrong. Like,
it's wrong.
I know. It's already beginning to look nice.
Yeah.
Oh my God. What? Wow.
Yes. Look at that.
Wow. What? Wow. I love it already.
Yes.
It looks so natural.
Strokes look like it's all your hair.
I know. What? I can't believe
I think we're going to be wowing throughout this appointment.
Nah. This is amazing. I love it.
I love it too.
I love it. Wow.
It's going to be late.
And I've been dulling myself since.
I know.
Wow. Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I was supposed to come here and do like a day 2 updates on my microblading session and all of that, but I couldn't do that. Today is day 3, however, and guys, look at my brows. Can you see that? Like, can you guys see that? Amazing, right? Really nice. Like, I absolutely love the results of this. Obviously, if you know about microblading, you know that it goes through a healing process. So this is just day 3. It definitely has darkened up, you know, compared to the very first day that I got it done. It looks a bit darker, which is expected. I was told it would get darker. I was told that as it heals, it will scab. Okay, it will scab or dry out or peel, and at some point it would fade, and at some point again it will come back and all of that. So I'm sure if you're familiar with microblading, you know all of these things already. Yes, I was told obviously not to pour water on my face for the next 14 days. Today is day 3. I'm counting down seriously to that because I really feel like pouring water all over my face. You guys know how I feel like washing my face, and I cannot wash my face. I can only like wipe all of these areas, you know, but I cannot actually like pour water on my face. So I was told not to do that. I was told not to scratch in case it itches when it's flaking out and drying out. No scratching. In fact, if possible, say no touching, no rubbing, no applying of makeup on the brows for the next 14 days. Today's day 3, so call it the next 11 days. Yeah, so no makeup on the brows, which if my brows can look like this for the next 11 days, I don't need to put any makeup on it, to be honest. I can put makeup anywhere else. But yeah, this is it, guys. I'm super happy about it. I'm super loving it already. I'm hoping that by the time it's completely healed, it will still look this pink, all right, with all of the strokes and all that. I'm really hoping so. Again, I got it done at YBB Beauty Clinic here in Abuja. They are amazing. Their customer service is top notch, like top notch. Oh, by the way, I also got my lashes done. How can I forget? I got my lashes done there as well. I haven't gotten this semi-permanent lashes in years, and I think I got this done last when we still used to use hair bond to apply it. You guys know what I'm talking about, but that was the last time I got this kind of lashes done, and I'm loving these ones so much because they are so natural. I absolutely love them, guys. So you can opt for whatever length you want, you can opt for whatever style you want, but I wanted something wispy and something really natural. So yeah, I love them so much. That clinic, they are really beautiful. They have a salon as well, so not just microblading, they also do nails there. You can make your hair there, you know, just an all-round beauty clinic. And I really love them. I love the space. The space is so nice and welcoming, and the staff are so nice as well. Just in case you're wondering, I got microblading and micro shading. Okay, so yes, they did the microblading thing, the cuts and all of that, and they went in again afterwards with pigment to micro shade. So yeah, I got micro shading and microblading as well, guys, and I'm loving it. Like I said before, the reason why I knew I wanted to go with this lady was because I loved how the brows looked on her page. I absolutely loved it, and I'm like, if I'm going to get microblading done finally, it has to be at this place. So yeah, guys, that's it. Just a day 3 update, just to let you guys know what my face is looking like. I will try and do a day 4 or 5. I'm not sure if I can do up to a day 14 update and wait until then to put out this video, but what I can do, I will do, and you guys will definitely see. And yeah, guys, that's that. Hi guys, so day 4 of my new brows and I'm wearing makeup for the first time since I got these brows done. Of course, I'm not allowed to put makeup on my brows, or rather I'm not supposed to put makeup on my brows for 14 days after the procedure. So yeah, I had to like really avoid applying makeup on my brows. I had to apply makeup everywhere else on my face without touching the brows, and it made my get ready time so short compared to before. I did this makeup, like this entire makeup, in less than 30 minutes. That's short compared to how much time I spent before. And then because I have lashes as well, I didn't have to apply strip-on lashes anymore. So basically just my powder, foundation, concealer, a bit of eyeshadow, lipstick, and blush, highlighter. That's it. Like brows and all that, I didn't have to do that. Brows and lashes, I didn't have to do that, and that was so nice. But yeah, this is what it's looking like on day 4, right? This is what they look like on day 4. Still looking good, still slightly darker than they were when I first got them, but still looking good regardless. It hasn't started to scab or dry out or peel or anything like that, not just yet. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Hi guys, good afternoon. Yeah, it's past 1 p.m, so good afternoon guys. Hope you guys are doing well. I've just had to do some running around today, and I literally just stopped over somewhere now to have amala. Yes guys, like my taste buds were craving amala so much, and I recently came around this area with my girls. One of us had amala and I had a taste and it was really good. So I'm just like, when I started having that craving today, I'm like, there's only one place I want to go and eat amala, and it's at this spot. So I went in there. I had a nice meal of amala and beef and goat's meat and ewedu and wegiri, and it was so yummy guys. Like I wish I showed you guys, but it was so good. So right now I'm just about heading home, and I realized that, oh yeah, today is day 5 of my microblading and micro shading experience, and I'm trying as much as I can to document at least the first 1 week so you guys would see. So this is day 5, and these are what my brows are looking like. I'm sweating a little bit just in case you guys see that. These are my brows. Okay, so they are just slightly darker. To be honest, I can't really see much of a difference between the day 4, day 3, day 4 and now, but they're just slightly darker. To be honest, they are healing just fine. I can see that the tail end though, the tail end is definitely looking darker, but not dark to the point that, oh my god, what's on my eyebrow. A lot of people have been admiring these brows. Like, every time I go out with a bare face in the last 5 days and they see the brows, they're like, oh, your brows are so nice, and they think they're my natural brows because they look so damn natural. But when I say no, these are microbladed brows. Like, they are so beautiful, and I hope that they stay this beautiful even after it has gone through the whole healing stuff. But yeah, I don't feel any pain there. I told you guys before, it does feel a bit dry. I'm not supposed to touch it as much, but it does feel a bit dry, but that's because it's healing and stuff. It feels like the wounds, the cuts rather, I don't want to call them wounds, but the cuts that were made, they do feel a little dry. But to be honest, I don't feel anything dramatic. Like, it feels okay, right? And I'm actually loving it, guys. I'm so happy I got this done. To be honest, I'm actually really happy I got this done. To think that I've been shying away from doing this thing for so long. I've been shying away, but I'm just happy that I waited until I saw someone that I knew what she's doing, because I've seen some microbladed brows and I'm just like, if this is how it's going to be, I don't want it. I don't want anything that would look extremely fake and all that. This is as natural as you are going to get. Like, look at that, look at these strokes, so nice. And then obviously also my lashes, you guys know I did my lashes as well. This is what they're looking like on day 5. I also do not allow water touch it for now because I really want them to last. I think by day 7 I can start washing around this area, but I literally just like wipe my lids, wipe here and all that. My brows, this is day 5. I'm not supposed to allow water touch till day 14, so that is the only challenging part, because I love to just pour water on my face and stuff, but it is what it is, Sha. It's looking okay, it's doing good, healing well, and I just like that I can go out. Even though I used to go out without makeup before, I don't send anybody message you, but I love the fact that I can actually go out without makeup and look half made up. That's great in my opinion. That's amazing. So yeah, I will come back for day 6, day 7. The vlog would need to go up. I can't do a whole up to 2 weeks, up to day 14, but anywhere I stop, you guys would see. And even in subsequent vlogs, I will keep showing you guys the progress. Even if it's not this vlog, I'll keep showing you guys the progress as time goes on, what it's looking like and all of that, so that you can know if it's something you want to do. But I highly would recommend, like, if you want to get this done, I highly would recommend you go and do it at YBB Beauty Clinic, because she is amazing. Like, she's amazing. She is so amazing. I absolutely love it. Anyway, guys, let me head home. I have a couple of things to do today. I have a lot of I have a lot of work deadlines in terms of working with brands. I have a lot of them because I was ill. I slacked on some of my deadlines, so I'm trying to meet up. Let me go home, guys. I'll talk to you guys later. All right. Hi guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So I just decided to come and do like one quick last check-in with you guys today, and just to show you guys what my brows are looking like. Today is day what now? Today is day 6, so let's call it roughly 1 week. Tomorrow will make it exactly 1 week. Oh, it's actually itching, and I'm told not to scratch. I should just tap if it itches. But this is what my brows are looking like on day 6 / day 7. I don't think I'll be able to do a check-in tomorrow, which is why I want to do this last one to round up this video, so you guys can see what my brows are looking like. I can see that they are slightly fading in the front, just slightly, ever so slightly, not much, but they still look really good. I went out yesterday. I went to a restaurant opening for kids yesterday. I didn't vlog that because I'm trying to vlog less events these days, because it seems like you guys are not really interested in watching me going out to events. So I'm trying to vlog less events. If you want to see my walkabout, more of my events, outfits and all of that, this is what they're looking like, and I still absolutely love them. I got a lot of compliments yesterday at the event I went to. I did apply makeup yesterday, foundation, powder, concealer, the whole shebang, and it's just amazing how this just brings down my getting ready time. Like, it's just crazy. I didn't have to do brows, I didn't have to do lashes. All I had to do was skin work, blush, highlights, eyeshadow, and I was good to go. Lipstick, and I was good to go. Like, it was so good, and the makeup looked so nice. So yeah, just checking in one last time in this video. This is day 6. Like I said before, in subsequent vlogs I'll be showing you guys what it's looking like as, you know, the days go by, as the vlog progresses. You guys will see if anything changes, but for now this is what it is looking like. And oh god, I can't wait to finally be able to pour water on my face by day 14. My lashes are still looking okay, they are still looking good. I have lost a few strands, to be honest. I've lost a couple of strands, but not much. They still look really nice. And yeah guys, so please if you really want to get your brows done, I mean, you guys can see the results. I've seen brows that people have done and it's not just it, but this is it. So if you want to get your brows microbladed, if what you've been wanting to do for a long time, you just have not been sure, or you've just been scared like me, you don't know where to go, so where they will not go and do nonsense for you, knowing that these things are like semi-permanent, so you know, just go and check out YBB Beauty Clinic. They are amazing. She's amazing. She knows what she's doing. She literally went to school for this, okay? She knows what she's doing. So yeah, absolutely love this, guys. I no longer have invisible brows. I no longer have barely there brows. I now have brows, like anyway, that's all I have for you guys in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Sure, we're having fun, but it don't mean that I'm in love.